everyone, welcome to Joe Chef TV. Today we're making low sodium kimchi. This recipe is not only rich in flavor but packed with probiotics and vitamins, making it great for digestion and overall health. Plus it's easy on the salt so you can enjoy all the benefits without the worry, so let's dive in. Here I have 2 Napa cabbages. They will use this to make healthy and tasty kimchi. Watch till the end. I will have the recipe on the screen for you at the end of the video as well. Enjoy. To get started, we need to wash this in the water 3 times. So let's get to it. You need to divide this cabbage into 4 because it's so big. Cut through 2/3 of the way. Make a cross. And then just pull. Let the water drain for about 15 minutes. Okay, I've drained all the water out of the cabbage. Now I'm going to brine it in salt. This is 2% of 3.2 kilos or 64 grams in total. Again, I'll use a plastic bag. Just put some salt in between. Try to put as much in the thick parts. Then just put it in here. It's better. Still have some left. I'll leave these for the sauce later. So like this, we'll leave it for 8 hours. Okay, we have a lot of ingredients. Here are the chili peppers. I have dried, fresh. These are small Vietnamese. These are very spicy. Chili powder. This is a secret ingredient of mine. This is dried shrimp which I shredded using my blender. 1 large stalk of leek or scallions. This is a dried kelp. garlic. Half an apple, half a pear, radish. This is mustard green. Okay, first we need to cut the radish. We'll make it similar to that of the soba noodles. Chop some scallions. This is the mustard green. I'll just use the green parts. Well, now we'll blend it. Apples, pear, red chili, garlic, Vietnamese chili, dried chili, and some Korean shrimp paste. Alright, I took some liquid out from the cabbage. Let's pour it in. Because I want it to be bright red, I'm gonna add just a little more chili pepper, just for color. Okay, it's been 8 hours. The cabbages are ready, nicely brined. Make the taste. Just right. Now here's the kimchi paste that I made. Kelp is in here. Okay, now put the sauce on every layer. So I have 2 boxes. Keep the air out, so I'm going to put some cling wrap on the top. Then cover it. Thanks for watching. I sincerely wish that you enjoyed this dish that I have taught you. It is nothing like the ones you can order at a restaurant. All of my recipes are unique and special, which makes it upscale Korean home cooking. Please take the time to like and subscribe to Joe Chef TV and support us for more great videos.